Hello guys, welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let's discuss about a program which identifies whether the given number is a positive, negative or zero using Python language. So before that, what do you mean by a positive number? So any number which is greater than zero is called as a positive number, right? So likewise, so what is negative number? So any number which is less than zero is negative number. Right, so let us do a small task. So these are the numbers. So try to spot out the positive integers. So 2, 4, 9, 1, 3 are the positive integers. Why? Because these are greater than 0. So what about the negative numbers among the given numbers? So minus 3 and minus 8 are the negative integers because these are less than 0. So let's write a program where it identifies if a number is positive, negative or 0. So let us take a variable named number is equal to int is something which for an integer value input in order to take the user's entered value. So enter any number. Okay. So let us use a condition statements where in order to find out if a number is greater than 0. So what if a number is greater than 0? It is called as a positive number, right? So I wanted to print the number is positive. Okay, so I wanted to check in another condition that if a number is less than 0. So for that if is a statement which is available. So number is less than 0. I wanted to print the number is negative. So else what? So if a number is not positive and if a number is not negative, what do you mean by that? What is the number? The number is 0, right? So let me execute this program. So let me give an input. So let me give 10. So it is a positive number because 10 is greater than 0. Again execute in order to check minus 5. So enter. So the number is negative because minus 5 is less than 0. So again let me check for 0. So run and so let me give an input 0 and enter. So the number is 0. So this is how by using condition statements if else we have found out if a number is positive, negative or 0. So that's it guys. For more such program based videos on Python or any other languages, so please subscribe to our channel and also follow us on our Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Also please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Thank you so much.